Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. Origin, evaluation of marketing we have seen in the last class. Now today we'll see types of markets. Very important topic, basic topic this is. So different types of markets are there. When you wanted to, excuse me, when you wanted to give production, when you want to enter into the marketing, when you want to enter into the market as a seller, then you must know what types of markets are there. Then according to that you have to go ahead. So this is the main idea of introducing these types of markets. There are total different types of market, that is 4 types of markets. So these are the 4 types: business markets, consumer market, global market, non-profit or government market. Now here first thing is that business market. Business market means what? Business market means where the customer and seller both will be meeting at one place, that is business market. Consumer wants some products, so which are available in the market. So this is business market. Business market is very wide. There are many products which are included in the business market. You can say A to Z, all the products from all pin to car, all the items are available in this market. What is that market? Business market. This business market is divided into 2 parts. One is wholesale markets and retail markets. What is this wholesale market? Wholesale market means they sell the products in large number of products they wanted to sell. So suppose, say for example, XYZ company is there. They are the wholesalers. They are. So their products are in large quantity they wanted to sell. Large quantity consumer will not buy. Consumer will never buy large quantity. He buys the products what is required for him. So no consumer will go to the wholesale shop because they sell goods on large basis. Of course, nowadays you'll find there are many shops, they say that wholesale market plus retail market together they are selling it because to attract the customer, to increase their sale. But general meaning is that wholesale market means only huge products they are selling, not less products, not 1 or 2 products, large quantity of products they are selling. So we are saying that XYZ company, they are the wholesalers. Now to them, other people like who want to do the business, these people will come to them. So who are they? Suppose say A, B, C. Who are they? These people are retailers. These people are retailers. So they are approaching to XYZ company. They are selling the goods on wholesale. So these people, they are purchasing the goods from the company, from this wholesaler, and at large quantity, and those products they'll bring to their shop and they are selling to the customers. These retailers are selling to many customers. All these people are customers. Customers cannot reach to this wholesaler. It is not possible. But nowadays you are finding wholesale shopping, and is also available retail shopping, wholesale shopping. But generally, some companies, they don't allow customers directly. They sell the goods to the retailers only. Who are the retailers? These people. So they bring the products from the wholesaler and they sell these products to the customers. Are you understanding? Wholesaler. So wholesalers are this wholesale market. Wholesale markets in only particular areas you'll find wholesale market shops. Go and take lots of products and get to your shop and start selling it. And retail markets. Retail market means where customer can buy the products easily without any hesitation. Now retailers are there. Retailers are buying from the wholesaler. So here you will find a relationship between the wholesaler and the retailer. As I said, wholesale. Where is another marker? In wholesale market, you will find wholesalers and retailers. Only this is the relationship. Whereas in retail market, retailer and customer, between them there is a market, between them there is a transaction, there is a event, means selling and purchasing is happening between the retailers and the customers. So that is about the wholesale markets and retail markets. Am I clear? So it will be easy for the customer. Customer cannot run to the wholesale shop. They can go to the retail shop only. So this is about this. Next one, we'll talk about consumer market. Hope it is clear. Now next we'll see the consumer market. Consumer market means what? Where the products which are required, which are needed to consumer. Consumer needs some products, regular based products. Those products where it is available, it's available in consumer market. It's available in consumer market. For example, if you go to market, you will find lots of shops. Steel you wanted to purchase, it is available. You want to buy shoes, yes, it is available. You want to buy garments, yes, available. And groceries you want to buy, yes. And vegetables, fruits, everything, socks, everything, whatever general usage products, what you need. So those products are available in the consumer markets. Consumer market, it's very difficult to handle the consumer market by the owner. Say, suppose I have business. I'm selling the product, but there is a heavy and huge competition because consumers are having a lots of awareness. What type of, suppose I want to buy shoes, I know where are the shoes shops are there, which is the right brand, where I can get good quality, where I can pay less price. Like consumer is having lots of awareness. That is the main problem for the seller in the which market? Consumer market. Heavy competition will be there. Consumer is having awareness and taste will be changing always. Today consumer is buying some product. It does not mean that he will be sticking to your business. He'll be coming to your business. He'll be coming to your shop continuously. No. His changes, his attitude, his taste and technology, everything is changing. That is one of the challenging job. So that is there in the consumer market. And third one is that global market. Consumer market is easy compared to global market. Global market means what? You would be having a lots of business with other countries, import or export with other countries. That is global marketing. Suppose say India. Our country is India. We want to have transactions, we want to have business with many countries, like say Australia and the USA, and also with Russia, and also with any other country, say Sri Lanka. So we want to have transactions, we want to have business, something we wanted to export them, something we want to import from them. So these business transactions which are going to take place between one country to another countries, so that is global markets. Global markets are very challenging. You must have a good understanding. That is the reason you have a subject, foreign trade. That subject is specially meant for this kind of activities only. Suppose say you want to have some business with other country. Basic question comes, which country? What I can produce? What I wanted to sell? Should I export or should I import? Export means, so you need to understand the market of the other country also. I want to export, but what about same kind of products which are available in that country market? So you need to have that understanding. So like whether you wanted to export or import, whatever it may be, a good understanding, and after having understanding, how to start? How to start? What is the procedure? Lengthy procedure will be there compared to local market. Compared to local market, just like as we have discussed, consumer market, or otherwise you can say it as business market, these are all quite easy. There are no much restrictions. But whereas if you go to global market, there are lots of restrictions, lots of processes, and step by step you have to understand, you have to go ahead, and at the end of the day what would be the profit, that's a very big question mark. So that's about the global market. Okay, but it is not so easy. And fourth one is not profit or non-profit and governmental markets. As the name itself is suggesting, non-profit, no profit. These markets are, these businesses are not running or not based on profit, just to give the services to the people. Those kind of businesses we can say it non-profit or governmental markets which are running in the country also. For example, hospitals, you can take government hospital, not private hospital. Private hospital motto is something different. Luto, loot machao, isn't it? Anyhow, government hospitals, charitable trust, church, temples, okay, hostels which are running by the government. So this kind of things, clubs, and which are running by the government, some charitable trust. So these kind of activity, these kind of business, which we say it as a not for profit, non-profit or governmental markets. So how do they run this business? Suppose say they want to have some activities. Suppose a government hostel is there. Government hostel is means government hostel is running by the government. It is under the guidance of government. Now, if government is running means suppose they need some contractors. For example, they need some contractors. How do they get the contractors? They want people who can run the business properly, and they want some hostel wardens. They want cooks, and who can take the catering part totally. So in such cases, what do? They just to release a tender in the newspaper. To that tender, whoever is interested, they'll come forward and they'll quote their amount. Suppose say, let me explain very clearly. You must have understanding about such kind of activities also. So ours is a government hostel. So this is government hostel or hospital, anything you can say. So we want somebody who can take care of particular section. Okay, so we gave a tender. We released a tender. To that tender, few people have responded. Say A, B, C, D. Our tender is something. You have to distribute some samples or distribute some injections, medicines, so and so. So to that, these people have responded. So what do? They'll put their quotation. They'll put their quote. So A is saying that, and these quotes or quotation will be always secret. Secretly, they'll be quoting to the hospital. And suppose say A is quoting 1 crore, and B is saying 1.1 crore, and C is saying 80 lakh only, and D is saying 75 lakh. Their quotations are like this. Who is going to get the tender? Who is going to get the tender? Obviously D, because he had quoted the less amount. In tender, always remember, whoever quotes the less amount, they'll be given the tender. But at the same time, quality is also will be considered. So in that way, this market, non-profit or governmental markets are also running. Total 4 markets. What are those? Business market, 2 types: wholesale, retail. Consumer market and global market, non-profit or governmental market. That's all. Simple markets. Am I clear about this? Next class we'll see another topic. Please stay connected. Check out the playlist. Whatever is required, use it and forward it. So see you. Good luck.